Imagine hiring an employee who never sleeps, never gets tired, never asks for a vacation, works 24 hours a day, learns new skills, makes decisions, uses tools, talks to customers, writes emails, creates reports, analyzes data, works with other AI systems. Welcome to the world of AI agents. Many experts say this could be the biggest tech shift since the internet, even rivaling the smartphone revolution. So, what exactly is an AI agent? It's an AI-powered system that pursues goals by planning tasks, using tools, remembering info, and adapting actions based on results. Unlike chatbots that answer one question, AI agents move from conversation to action, handling multiple steps to reach objectives. Ask a chatbot, write an email. Done. Ask an AI agent, plan my business trip. It researches, drafts emails, schedules, and can even automate tasks. AI agents work in cycles, receive goals, plan work, perform steps, check results, adjust plans, and repeat until complete or human input is needed. Memory matters. These agents remember project details, customer preferences, or past steps, improving performance over time depending on platform capabilities. Tools make AI agents powerful. Calendars, emails, databases, search engines, automation platforms, all expand what agents can do safely and effectively. In business, AI agents help customer support by categorizing requests, drafting replies, pulling info, and summarizing for human review. Content creators get help too, organizing research, generating outlines, tracking schedules, summarizing notes, coordinating repetitive work. Healthcare benefits from AI agents handling administrative tasks, documentation, scheduling, and info retrieval, while professionals manage critical decisions. Students can use AI agents to create study plans, summarize materials, and manage assignments, but true learning requires your understanding and effort. Avoid common mistakes. AI agents don't know everything, need clear goals, require human oversight, and don't replace human creativity or judgment. Imagine the future: AI teams working alongside humans, entrepreneurs managing global businesses with smart assistants, and developers building industry-specific agents. Artificial intelligence is evolving. Chatbots answered questions. AI agents pursue goals. This shift blends knowledge with action in powerful new ways. The future won't belong to those who fear AI, but those who learn to work with it responsibly. Build workflows, ask better questions, and guide AI to real goals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, agent guides, automation hacks, productivity tips, and future tech insights.